So first things first, who are you? What's your role and where do you work?
Hi, Bart, and great to see everybody here. I'm Enrico Bruschini, COO of Akamas. We are the
Fantastic.
Kubernetes optimization platform and therefore ready to meet a lot of Kubernetes interest folks at KubeCon.
And Enrico, I understand that getting into this KubeCon, you've got something special that you want to share with the audience. Tell us what it's about. Tell us about the problems that you're trying to solve on Kubernetes.
Yeah, of course. We are really excited about a new module that we are introducing on the Akamas platform. As mentioned a second ago, Akamas is the Kubernetes optimization platform, and we really are about a full stack optimization. There's too much looking at a single layer of your stack, just looking at Kubernetes, just looking at the runtime. The cluster and so on, and we relook at the entire picture. And Akamas Insight, it really aims at helping everybody solve one of the biggest organizational fracture that we are seeing. We're seeing a disconnect between platform teams and application teams. Each is busy with their own priorities, their own roadmap to push, and therefore, what's compromised there, what falls through the crack, is a comprehensive and coherent full stack optimization, and that's what we're here for.
And at your booth, and you can tell us which booth you're going to be at so people know where to go. What kind of things will you be doing? Will you be doing demos? Will you be giving away any kind of swag? What can we expect there?
Yeah, we will definitely be giving demos. We are super eager to show our product. So please come by, have a look at the product, give us feedback. As every startup, we are starving, craving for feedbacks. You're going to find us at the startup booths area, the 1760 is the booth number. So looking forward to meeting all of you. And of course, there are plenty of swags of multiple kinds. So come over, get a demo, give us feedback, and we'll give you a swag.
Perfect. Thanks so much, Enrico. Looking forward to see you soon in Atlanta. Take care.
Awesome. Take care. Bye.